In this video, I will show you how to view the crawled pages table in Semrush. First, log into your Semrush account. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard. Go to the left side of your screen. A pop-up will appear. Scroll down and click on Site Audit. Next, under your projects, click on the project name. On the top row of options, click on Crawled Pages. You will now see the full list of your crawled pages, and then here you can review the URLs that have been audited, check for errors or warnings, see page status codes, and get insights into SEO issues that may affect your site's performance. This table is a great starting point to identify areas that need optimization and track improvements over time. And that's how to view and analyze your crawled pages table in SEMrush.